Welcome to Stena. At Stena, we take care of all types of electric and electronic waste and turn it back into valuable resources. Recycling requires innovative technologies and know-how. Being one of the leading electronics recyclers in Europe, we can offer the highest recycling rates in the business thanks to state-of-the-art processes. Put on your helmet and safety jacket and let's start our visit to one of our home electronics treatment lines. For us, safety is top priority. The first step in our recycling process is to ensure that we sort the appliances and remove all hazardous waste before we have any mechanical impact on them. For example, on a personal computer, batteries are the most common hazardous waste component. Other examples of hazardous waste that we remove are oil, lead, asbestos, capacitors containing PCB, and toners. At this stage, we ensure that hazardous material will not end up polluting the environment or our final fractions. All decontamination is done according to current legislation and Wheelerbeck standards. The LCD screens have lamps containing mercury and therefore must be treated separately and transported carefully. The next step in our treatment process is the innovative and specialized precious metal and plastics recycling. Here we recover valuable metals and plastics, turning them into valuable resources. All the components previously sorted and decontaminated are shredded into several material fractions and different elements are extracted. A specialized magnet drum is then used to separate ferrous and copper from the other fractions. The copper is then separated from the ferrous by hand. The remaining non-ferrous and plastic elements are separated according to size: big, medium, and small. Thanks to the eddy current separator, the aluminium and circuit boards are separated to be further treated. While the main stream is now processed on the shaking tables, separating the materials into precious metal fractions with high copper content and others. The mixed plastic stream is entering into the flotation process. They are now placed into a liquid with controlled density. The plastics that are more dense than the liquid will sink, while those less dense than the liquid will float. They're conveyed to the other side of the tank, separating the good and recyclable plastics from the brominated plastics. Let us come back to the aluminium and circuit board stream, extracted by the eddy current separator. It's now going through the optical separator, which scans, recognizes and separates the material based on its color. Here, the printed circuit boards that contain a significant amount of precious metals are separated from the aluminium. We're about to conclude our plant tour now. All these fractions are well separated and ready for a new life cycle. With Stena as a partner, our customers can rest assured that their electronic waste is recycled in a proper way using state-of-the-art processes. Thank you for visiting Stena.